So greetings, good morning. We got a little kid goat there. Oh my goodness! And this is little Clover. Oh, so cute. Quish, I'm the new kid on the block. You're the new kid on the farm. Oh, so beautiful one. So, what a surprise there, Claire.
Is it a surprise?
No.
Clover was pretty huge.
Yeah. We knew it was coming, but not only that, we got Mayo with two lovely kids this morning. So this is a little boy, and we got two little girls.
His ears are so cute.
Oh.
They're so long.
Oh, so well done. And of course, that means Lucky is a grandma.
Oh, yeah.
So,
She's a mean grandma, but we love her.
Yeah. And she might have her own kids before long.
Very
as well.
soon.
So we're gonna move you. Which I don't really want to be moved, but I think Claire's gonna move you with your mum into your new pen. This is not
Have a
Claire.
little shout.
Mum.
Come on, Clover.
Come on, Clover.
Meh.
We get Brad to help them move. Come on, Mum. Come on. Come on, off we go. Off we go. Off to the new pen. So well done to the Claire, well done to Clover, well done to Brad and all our wonderful little kid goats. We're going to go where we got Bumblebee thing. Is that mine? No, it's not yours. So off we go, and of course over here. It gets even cuter. We have our two little ones. This one is called Nikki. Hello, little Nikki. And this one is to be named. But, it's all good. Happy. What day is it? Chris, I don't know. It's Friday, I think. Happy kid goats. Happy farmer.